The new Kimi K2 Thinking just dropped. It only matters if it ships. Testing with Claude code versus factory-out Droid on a real task. Hello, I'm Jeremy Grove, founder of Media Data Fusion. In this video, I will be comparing the new Kimi K2 Thinking in Claude code versus factory-out Droid using one controlled task with strict acceptance criteria. Let's see the results. Kimi K2 Thinking has just released, and they're making some significant claims on tool calls and benchmark. And as we've gone over before, that a lot of these benchmarks are not going to apply to everyone because a lot of these providers train specifically for these benchmarks, but the benchmarks do mean something, of course. But we can also do some of our own testing to see how it's going to line up with our own specific dev work. So you'll see here, they're claiming that they can execute 200 to 300 sequential tool calls. I would like to see it hit that. I have not experienced that yet. I have been testing it since it released a few days ago. I'm getting some significant outputs on the general benchmarks. They're definitely even claiming that they're setting records across benchmarks. And you'll see here on the agentic reasoning that, yeah, they're definitely scoring high. Agentic search, they're at the top of these charts, and they're claiming that they're setting a lot of records. But let's put them to the real test. For coding, they are just under Sonnet 4.5, but on the SWE bench, they're below Sonnet and GPT-5. But on the live code bench, they're just below GPT-5. So Kimi K2 Thinking, which is a deep reasoning model, and it's coming in at a very affordable price. As you can see, the pricing compared to Sonnet is a significant difference. But then you have the Kimi K2 Thinking Turbo. Kimi K2 Thinking model is great for planning. However, I would recommend pairing it with a good coding model to execute those plans. As we have demonstrated here today inside of Claude Code and Factory AI Droid, it was unsuccessful on its own. But when paired with a good coding model such as GLM 4.6, there was success. You can obtain a free Claude Code multi-provider setup and switcher guide and a Factory AI Droid master guide at my website, MediaDataFusion.com, under Resources, Guides. That's it for me. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.